How to perform element-wise multiplication of two lists? I want to perform an element-wise multiplication to multiply two lists together by value in Python, like we can do it in MATLAB. This is how I would do it in MATLAB. A list comprehension would give 16 list entries for every combination x, y of x from A and y from B. Unsure of how to map this? If anyone is interested why, I have a dataset and want to multiply it by numpy.linspace 1.0, 0.5, num equals len dataset equals.
Use a list comprehension mixed with zip.
Since you're already using NumPy, it makes sense to store your data in a NumPy array rather than a list. Once you do this, you get things like element-wise products for free.
Use np.multiply a, b.
You can try multiplying each element in a loop. The shorthand for doing that is